Hi friends. So in today's session, I'm going to explain you one more issue in a Kubernetes. So in my previous session, I explained you right when I was running the kubectl get nodes, it was showing some error due to that Kubernetes configuration file was not correct. Correct. So now similar issue I'm getting in the my master node also. So if you see, this is my master, Kubernetes is my master node. When I'm running the kubectl get nodes, so I'm getting this error. Okay, to how to solve this issue. So let me run one script. This is a config.sh. I will show you what is inside this file. Okay, so let me run first. Okay, so now you can see when I'm running this, I'm able to get the data, right? Now, so what is that inside? Let me show you. So you can see what I am doing. I'm export the this admin file, and then through that I'm able to fetch the node details. So my API is working here. Now let me close this. Let me open my master node again. Let me run the kubectl. Like I close the session, I reopen the session again, new session basically, and then I'm running the node. Again I'm getting this same issue. So when I run the last time, that not help. Okay, so in this case what I have to do, let me run again this. Okay, now let me run this again. Let me run this config underscore power dot sh. Now let me close, let me open. So I'm able to fetch the details, you can see. So that is with the second help of my script, I fixed the permanent solution. So how to fix that permanent solution? Okay, now let me go to this. So first script, if you see what I have the data, you can run this export command. So what will be happen in the current your terminal, it will export and it will work. But since if you close that terminal again, you reopen, it will not work. So again and again you have to run this command. If you want to do the permanent fix, then what we have to do, let me show you my second script. So again, what you can do, export these things in your bash rc file, so your user profile. So in my case, I have a root, but in your case, if you log in with some other user, automatically it will go to that user bash rc file, that export. So whenever you will loading the new terminal, automatically it will export this session and it will work. So I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel, share and like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.